if you're like me and you've got like an outdoor trailer like this and you don't want anybody to just be able to walk up and grab it and take off with it, I recommend getting you a coupler lock. What I used to have in here was a padlock, but I quit doing that. You know, I got an actual coupler lock that works. It comes with 2 keys and it's adjustable. You see how it adjusts right there, how it goes all the way in? To open it, you got to have the key in it, pull it like that. And this is very simple. It just goes through. So, and this also works when you put it down onto the ball on the back of the van. In my case, it's a van or truck or something like that. And there you go. You cannot get that off of there. You see how that locks in there? This cannot come up so people can't steal my trailer or take my trailer off of there. I also have the Dock Locks wire lock. I highly recommend these things. These are rated up to thousands of pounds of like use right here, and they're coiled. So they coil back instead of like a chain. These won't come off. You see how I kind of ran them. I just like drilled a hole and ran them off a bolt and then ran them through there. So that worked fine. But this is something I had been needing for a while, and I like it has a little dust cover over it. You just go like that to take this off. So I pull that off. I'd put that onto the ball, drop it down, and then it slides right back through. Right there, easy peasy. So there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the trailer coupling lock.